Let me go on and check on these garbanzo beans to see if they cooked yet. Stay tuned for this natural slick back ponytail and gloss lid tutorial inspired by Ari Lennox.
Hey, throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar, yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beaten Bombays, your name Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be doing a slick back natural ponytail and a gloss lid. This look is actually inspired by Ari Lennox. What's your favorite song by Ari Lennox? Yeah, I like that too. I'm just playing, I couldn't hear you. So make sure you comment below. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Tune in weekly every Sunday for more content. It's time to drop the beat and bomb out this face. My hair is freshly washed. I'm going to be using the BOOYAW edge control. I tell you, this stuff is amazing, especially in freshly washed hair. Look at that already. It's just like slick me down. Slick me down. Ooh, and it smells like melon. It smells like cucumber melon. With my double-sided edge brush, I'm going to separate my sideburns with the comb side. I'm placing a little bit of edge control to help shape my baby hairs. I'm going for a C shape because Ari did it first, duh. Don't forget about the back of your neck. Lip is going to help keep the shape of my ponytail because my hair is so thick when it's dry. Y'all don't understand how much strength that just took. Redefine your edges. This puff has got to go. I'm twisting it up into a bun and pinning it down. I got my 24-inch drawstring ponytail from the local hair store. It was only $11.99. It's Perm Yaki. Here's a drawstring, and it has 2 combs inside to secure my ponytail. What are we going to call her? I took a piece of the ponytail and wrapped it around to create an illusion of a hairband. You want to make sure you pin it with some bobby pins. Ooh. Bring me on. Skincare before makeup application is so important. This moisturized face is ready to be primed. Ari Lennox has a natural look, so I'll be using some Invisible Coverage Foundation by Makeup Forever. I'm blending it in with a fluffy brush all over my face. Going in lightly with Liquid Concealer by LA Pro Girl. Blending the concealer in for a smooth complexion. Miss Lennox is your naturalista, so a pencil brow is perfect for this look. I'll be using Sephora's retractable brow pencil. Check out my detailed pencil brow tutorial on my channel. I'm only putting a little bit of LA Pro Girl on my brush in order to clean up my brows. That Q-tip is going to reinforce my brows. Adding more liquid concealer, I'm going to start on my eyes. Yes, I'm a crayon cutie, bitch. Now, Ari's look from BMO is naturally orange, but we have different complexions, so I'm going to use a swatch from the Crayon Cases matte book. I'm avoiding getting eyeshadow on my brow bone. I'm packing it down first, and then I'm blending it out. Y'all's about to get me started. I'm using Lava from Becca's Volcano Goddess palette. This is going to give me a natural gloss lid look without the gloss. Melody Mills Gleam is going to help bronze and highlight my face. I'm dusting the same orange eyeshadow from the matte book on my cheekbones. Elf liner for the eyeliner. A soft contour from Smashbox Studio Skin Stick under my cheekbones, and I'm blending it in. I'm separating my lashes with mascara for lash prep. I'm lining my lips with the natural NYX lip liner. I'm dusting that same orange from the matte book on my lips as well. Here comes the fun stuff. I'm picking up the glitter with my powdery brush. Oh, and it's giving me life. These are actually from my lash line. These babies are called Whisk Me Away. Ain't they so wispy? Now that I have my lashes intact, I'm going to apply my Girl Boss gloss from Ulta. Just in case y'all forgot what gloss look like. There you have it, babes. A natural ponytail and gloss lid tutorial inspired by Ari Lennox. Thanks for tuning in to another Bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be throwing Bomb Beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Booyah! Hey Siri.